Let's go back to the Herbert pits as they work away on that car. Seems like a great time for our Sounds of the Strip.
Coming down!
Hey, hold on one sec, Dave.
That's unbelievable. It's the only person who thinks I was in the county.
Oh yeah, we figured out.
Yeah, I see that.
Go!
One-stop online store.
Well, John Forrest gets the opportunity to warm it up. You saw every time he hit the throttle, it blow rain off of the canopy overhead. He can warm up now because he is the last pair in funny car when he comes up against his teammate, Mike Neff. You can bet in all those shots, everybody was checking to make sure that everything is good and tightened down.